Welcome guys, happy to see you here again, and today I would like to share with you new knit beanie for absolute beginners and those one who knows how to knit in round. This hat also can be done in rows, so if this hat gets many likes and views, I will make video of how to knit this hat in rows on straight needles. And for this hat, I was using absolutely gorgeous yarn. It is vintage yarn that I recently bought. The composition of this yarn is 60% acrylic, 20% mohair, and 20% wool. The yarn weight is chunky, so you can use any chunky bulky yarn, and it has 55 yards in 50 grams ball or 50 meters. So that's it, and I do really like this yarn. It's warm, fluffy, and looks even better what you see through camera. For this hat also I was using a 6mm knitting needles. You can use double pointed knitting needles. I'm using circular needles, 80 centimeters length. You can also use 40 centimeters if you have. I don't have such at home. So if you're ready and would like to try this cute beanie, join me. We are going to start right now. So for this hat you need to cast on 50 stitches plus one extra stitch if you want to use an invisible joining method that I'm going to use now. So look that all your stitches are not twisted. Slip the first stitch to the right hand needle and then slip over the last stitch and drop it off the needle. Then return the stitch to the left hand needle. So I help myself with a hook. Place stitch marker and pull tight tail and the working yarn. So let's start from knitting this round. Knit all stitches around. Knit, knit. That's what you have. Knit. Now push inside the left needle and pull the right needle like this and go on knitting all stitches. Knit till the marker. After that, knit 2 more rounds, so in total 3 rounds. So I've done 3 rounds, and the next round, purl. Purl all stitches around. So this is the whole pattern. You're going to knit three rounds and then purl one round, and repeat this pattern till the crown. Go on till the marker. Round number 5, knit all stitches around. Knit. Knit. Like this. You knit till the end of round and then knit 2 more rounds and then make again the fourth one, the purl round. Repeat 4 rounds until you reach about 20 centimeters from the very edge. Okay, here I am. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I've done 36 rounds plus 2 rounds after the last purl round. So in total 38 rounds, and the length 21.5 centimeters. Can be 20 as well. 21.5 will be a little bit slouchy. So let's start with decreases. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 2 together, and repeat like this till the end. Knit 3, knit 2 together, and again. Knit 3, knit 2 together. Repeat till the marker. Next round we are going to purl, because it will be the purl round after the 3 knit rounds. Purl all stitches around without decreases. Purl till the end. Round number 3, knit 2, knit 2 together. For this I turn stitches because I want the final stitch look to the right. If I do not turn them, let me show you. Knit 2, if I knit 2 together like this, the final stitch will look to the left, and I need them look to the right. So it depends how you purl the previous round. And repeat. I need 1 more stitch here. So knit 2, turn 2 next stitches, and knit 2 together. Repeat till the marker. Round number 4, knit all stitches around without decreases. till the marker. Round number 5, knit 1, knit 2 together, and repeat. Knit 1, knit 2 together, knit 1, knit 2 together. Repeat till the stitch marker. Round number 6, knit all stitches without decreases. So it has to be the purl round, but I decided to knit this round. Knit all stitches without decreases. Knit till the end. The next round, knit 2 together all the way around. If you want, you can change to double pointed needles, because it's a little bit tough to decrease on circular needles when you don't have enough stitches. Repeat till the marker. So I've done all decreases. If you want, you can make one more round, just knit all stitches. I didn't do it, so cut the yarn, leaving a 10 centimeter tail. You can use a hook here to thread through remaining stitches, or a yarn needle, up to you. Thread through stitches, turn, and the last. Pull to close top. That's how it looks, and the hat is ready. So let me show how to weave in end on the top. Pull the yarn on the wrong side, pull tight, and thread the yarn again into the last stitches of the last round. Go underneath, it is easier to use a yarn needle. Oops, wrong tail, this one. And it will be faster. So go underneath, underneath, like this, a little bit more, and enough. So that's it. And the hat is ready. The same you can do with beginning tail. Let me show you how it looks a little bit further. And I love this hat so much. This is one of my favorites so far. It's warm, thick, and it looks great, really. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial and knitting this hat with me. Please subscribe, and I will see you soon.